Come on everybody, today for breakfast we make eggs puttanesca. And I got all the ingredients over here already prepared everything. And I got the garlic, oil baby hot pepper, caper, make sure the caper the wash really good. I got a black olives over here, I got a parsley, basil, I got my homemade sauce, and I got eggs. And on the top I got a little pecorino cheese. And we put it with the bread, this is a bread, and we put it on the side. Now the start we gotta go on the stove. At the start on the stove I take my garlic, and I take my oil baby hot pepper. Now I got a lot of hot pepper over here, maybe I don't use all, okay, it's really hot. Okay, we start with the gas over here, put on. And this is the pots. We warm up the pots and we put oil.
Somebody said, Ellie, she said it's good ideas. I'm staying home, so I'm cooking.
Yes, it's why now everybody can do something home. That's why I want to show this breakfast with the eggs. Everybody, it's easy. It's not really hard. Okay, see the phone start to ring over here. All right, now we put this, and I put the garlic. Okay. And I put the hot pepper, but not too much. Okay, it's enough.
Somebody said, I would love you if you explain what it means, the words Puttanesca, for everybody.
Okay, Puttanesca, it's something, everybody know what it is, but you want me to say. The Puttanesca, it's the beautiful girl. It's what it is, okay? Now you know what I'm talking about. Oh, baby. You see, Puttanesca, it's like this. It's like my, oh yeah, baby. It's the hot pepper. And the girl, she's hot. Okay, now, this is cook. Hey, don't leave me remember now long time ago, okay? All right, good. Now I bring everything over there. And I got the caper, and olives, olive, and we start caper. We give a nice, now we put the sauce.
Antonio from Puglia.
Hello, Antonio. Look, this is my homemade tomato sauce.
Antonio da Ponte, a Ponte.
A Ponte. Okay, let me put a little drop more, a little bit. I like the sauce, like I can dip my bread. And now I got the olive.
Somebody said, I know what it means, that.
Olive. And we make nice turn everything. And we leave it cook a little bit. Because this sauce, when I make a sauce outside, this sauce you cook for the 5 hours. It's not like this you can eat, just to warm up and you eat, because the sauce is already cooked. Okay, now what I do, I put a little salt, not too much salt, to get the caper. It's, I wash, but it's a little salt.
Norma, my name is Eva.
Okay, we load that the gas. I put it really low.
Actually, you should rinse capers because they're salty. They're good for you, but they're too salty. So why you
Yes.
should rinse them?
It's really, really salty. I put a little black pepper. All right. And now I got my basil. I got over here. My basil, I got inside, and I use this. Look at this. Now, I'm not cut it with a knife. I take the little leaves, and I put like this. It's really, really good.
Jacqueline, the sauce is made, actually we have video, so you can click on his page and you find it. Thank you, Ran.
Thank you, thank you. Nice breakfast we got this morning with the eggs. Beautiful girl. Okay.
Can you maybe say good morning to everyone?
Good morning, everybody. Good morning, and make a beautiful breakfast. It's okay. You can make any kind of the breakfast. I make this one this morning. Okay, now this is start the boil.
Good morning, Aram.
Good morning, Haram. Good morning, everybody. Okay, now this it's on okay boil on low. And I want to bring. I got the bread over here, and I want to toast a little bit. And I put it in the oven. And I put a little oil on the top. Okay. And let's put this right inside of the oven for about a couple of minutes, 3 minutes, or what it is. And the eggs, the sauce boil. And I can put a little parsley too. We give a little green. Okay. E who is? Nobody.
Be somebody.
Nobody. Nobody. I know that. Hello, nobody. You no talk? Okay. Now we want to crack the egg. Eggs. I got it right over here. And when I break the eggs, I want to make sure okay, it not crack, it not break my yolk. I do like this. It's one. And we put like this. Maybe I put the always around like this, it not run away from me. I put one right over here.
It's olives, black olives.
Olive nere. Okay, now we put another one over here. Like, oh, this is stay over there. Okay. I will crack like this guy. I don't want to break. I gotta get low. 2. Okay, now another one over here.
We will show you which olive oil we're using. 1 second.
Yeah. And this one we put right over here.
Yeah, you can do sausage also, Norma, yes.
Okay, now what I do, I want to put a little salt right on the top. Okay, a little black pepper. Good. And I got the cover, and I want the cover. Okay, we put the gas a little high, okay, gotta start the boil the sauce, and we cover. Okay, now somebody ask, you want to see the oil?
Yeah.
And I show you the oil what I use. This is the oil I use.
Like for cooking,
Okay?
all the cooking.
This is all the cook I'm do with this. Okay, let me see so the sauce is start to boil. Yeah. Okay, start to boil. All right. Okay, now we wait a little bit. Okay, after we put it right over here on this, on the table. I bring over here. This is the pecorino cheese. I pick it up one dish for me. I want to taste my eggs puttanesca. Okay, let's wait a little bit.
Well, now if somebody want to ask him some question, it's perfect timing.
You can ask me something, what somebody ask me. Everything, and now I'm done with this, with the eggs. It look already, look nice, okay? Let's cover like this. I want it to be nice. Cover this. After the bread, we put it right over here. Okay. Couple of more minutes, that's all.
Christopher, the cold press is always good for salad, not for the cooking. For cooking, it's no good because you're losing the taste.
Yes, I use this this oil.
This is extra virgin olive oil what we're using for cooking.
Yeah, this is really good for cook. And this is, you know, you want to use it for the salad. Use it for the salad too. Okay. Now,
Yes, with bread. The bread is in the oven already. We're toasting.
I think this thing, let's see now. I think the egg's almost ready.
You check. Little more, no?
Little bit more. The bread, I think the bread that's okay. Oh look, the oil bubble. I like the toasted bread. And like this you can dip on a sauce. As you got extra sauce, you can cook a little pasta on the side, like maybe little penne or spaghetti, any kind of the pasta. So you got extra sauce, or you can use extra sauce on eggs. And you can eat the pasta on the side with the eggs too.
We have baguette in the oven. Norma, if you have to saute sausage first, and then you add all the ingredients.
Okay, I think it's good, all right? Look at this.
Yeah, you like that, yes.
Yeah, I like this. Okay, now, I keep this right over here. I'll leave it stay with the cover a little bit. And I want to take the bread out.
Oh, thank you, Lori, for the beef stroganoff.
Okay, this is really hot. I gotta watch. Okay, we put the bread right over here. Okay. All right, now it's time of the taste. Let's see the eggs are beautiful. Look nice, really nice. Okay, now let me take this some of the parsley over here. And I take one.
Well, thank you, Maria, for having the apron. Good.
Okay. Look at this. Look how beautiful. All right, and now I want to do a little stay cover this cannot cool off. I put a little pecorino cheese on the top.
Well, he always use 400 degree on everything, my husband.
Well, but I told my son, next time I want to cook on 399.99 degree. Like this, it's no more 400. Okay, little parsley.
Carol, yes, I do cooking also,
Okay.
but not on the videos.
Now, the nice, look, nice. And we dip a little bit on the sauce. And eggs. The eggs are like this way, look. You gotta run on me, look at that. Really good. The bread, the nice crispy, crunchy. Okay. It's really good. You make this, and you can eat with a nice crusted bread, with a nice little girl on the side. It's good. Okay, this is called eggs puttanesca. And I want to say thank you very much for everybody that look at my video. Thank you to everybody. And thank you very much for the star you donated to me. Thank you, and have a nice, beautiful day. Thank you very much. I'll see you next time. Thank you.